The project you see here is about the resilient embodied AI system we're working on for robotic manipulations. AI has been more and more integrated into current operations. So we care about how to keep the resilience of the AI system even under some AI attack. So we have the robotic arm here. They are able to control the robotic arm based on the AI models. The embodied AI system only use one NVIDIA Zhen. We use that to control the arms, and the arm are able to pick up and sorting the different component materials with different shape into the color box. So that's a task. So you observe the change. Once we present the trigger, the component drop. So once we remove the trigger, it could run normally. So once we move to the mitigation system, in that way, even with the trigger here, the arm still could finish all the tasks. AI is powerful tools, but when we adopt it, we not only think about how to make it to fit into our current workflow, but I will highlight the component on the security, on the resilience side. So once we introduce this new operation style into the workflow, how can we ensure the resilience of this operation is something our lab really care about.